Ever used GrabPay and wondered if those smooth transactions come with a hidden cost? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of GrabPay fees. Let's uncover the truth and see if those seamless payments come with a price tag. GrabPay has become a popular choice for millions across Southeast Asia. From ride-hailing to food delivery, it's seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. But convenience often comes with a cost. So, the burning question is, does GrabPay actually charge you fees? Addressing common concerns. Let's break it down. Transaction fees. Good news. For most everyday transactions like paying for your Grab ride, food delivery, or online purchases, you generally won't encounter any transaction fees. However, keep an eye out for promotions and campaigns. Some might have small fees associated with them, so always read the fine print. Top-up fees. This is where things can vary. Some top-up methods might have associated fees. For example, topping up your GrabPay e-wallet using a credit card might incur a small processing fee. But topping up via bank transfer or at convenience stores is usually free. Tip: explore different top-up options to find the most cost-effective method for you. Withdrawal fees. Yes, there are usually fees associated with withdrawing funds from your GrabPay e-wallet. The amount varies depending on the withdrawal method, bank transfer, cash withdrawal, and the country you're in. Always check the latest fee schedule within the Grab app or on their official website. Foreign currency transactions. If you're using GrabPay in a different country, you might encounter foreign transaction fees or currency conversion charges. Again, check the details within the app to understand the applicable fees. Tips for minimizing fees. Take advantage of free top-up methods, utilize bank transfers or convenience stores whenever possible. Plan your withdrawals, minimize the number of withdrawals to reduce accumulated fees. Utilize in-app promotions and discounts, these can offset any potential fees. Stay informed, regularly check the Grab app and their official website for the latest fee schedules and any changes in their fee policies. While GrabPay is generally a convenient and affordable payment option, it's crucial to be aware of the potential fees involved. By understanding the fee structure and utilizing the tips we've discussed, you can maximize your savings and enjoy the benefits of GrabPay with peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.